Hello everyone, welcome to data science community. In this video we are going to understand about how and what are the statistics concept which we use in machine learning. Okay, why we need to use statistics in machine learning, so let's understand. Okay, so statistics is a branch of mathematics that deals with collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation and organization of data. Okay, so statistics is basically used for collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation and organization of data. Okay, so in machine learning, if anyone is asking you what is the role of statistics in machine learning, so your simple answer should be it will used when we need to increase our accuracy, and whole machine learning is work around statistics. Okay, and here we have two branches of statistics, which is descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. So let's deeply understand what is descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Okay, so let's start with descriptive statistics. So descriptive statistics is used to summarize the data and describe the data. Okay, when we need to summarize or describe our data, at that time we are using descriptive statistics. In many videos in which we are performing machine learning project and data analysis project, I always tell you we are going to find descriptive statistics of these data set. So we are using the describe function to find the descriptive statistics of any data. Okay, I already explained this in each and every video, how to find descriptive statistics of any data set. Okay, so if you do not know this, go and check it out, my pandas function video, or you can also check it out any of my project. I always explain this, okay, because it was the most important part. Okay, so it includes methods for calculating measure of central tendency, which is mean, median and mode. Okay, variability, which is standard deviation and variance. Okay, and distribution, in which we use histogram and box plots. Okay, and next is inferential statistics. So inferential statistics is used to draw conclusion about the population based on the data from a sample. Okay, when we are testing our data, okay, when we use test data set to test our data, which means there is a population means the whole data set. Okay, from these whole data set we only use select a sample, which is our test data set, and remaining is our training data set. Here our test data set is named as sample. Okay, and whatever conclusion we draw from that test data set, and the methods we use to draw the conclusion from that test data set is known as inferential statistics. Okay, and here we use hypothesis testing, confidence intervals and regression analysis. Okay, so statistics is a very important part of machine learning, and whole machine learning is revolved around the concepts of statistics. So if you are preparing for machine learning data analysis, first you can go and check it out what the statistical concepts that we are using in our machine learning projects. Okay, it will increase your accuracy, your model accuracy, and it will you can easily understand things if you know the statistics behind that machine learning project. Okay, so first you need to learn statistics if you are going to learn machine learning. Okay, so these were the basic concepts and overview about the statistics. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more such videos.